Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can transfer your money online via this Ria Money Transfer. First you have to go to the App Store and from here you have to download this app. Once it's downloaded, simply go and create account. Now here for sending money, first you have to go and you have to complete your verification step. For that you have to go to activity and here you have to go to profile and setting. In profile and setting you have to go to ID type and here you have to verify your identity. Here you have to make sure that your ID is not expired and your photo is readable and has no glare. Your ID card is not cut off in the photo and your photos show the correct side of the document. Here you have to make sure that these things must be crystal clear to you. They only give you 3 attempts for verifying yourself and you have to verify yourself within these 3 attempts, and in some case if you fail to do so within these 3 attempts, then you can go and you can contact their support and you can seek the guidance. Now here just click on I understand all the tips and continue here. Now here you have to select any documents. Here you can provide your passport, your driving license or your resident permit here. Here you can provide any of these documents and you can verify yourself. Now here after doing the verification thing, you have to go and you have to add here a payment method. Just you have to go back and here just click on payment method and now click on add new method. Here you can add a debit card or credit card, is totally up to you, whichever you feel is best. Once all this thing is done, you can go back and you can send. Now here I am on the home page. You can go to recipient and you can add here a recipient as well. And for sending, just simply go and click on send. For sending, first here you have to go and you have to choose your country, then your money and then the payment method and the delivery methods. Here you will see your currency and the exchange rate here and what your recipient will receive in their own currency. Here for your currency you also have many options and for recipient you also have many countries. Almost every country is available here. And then you have to select here a payment method and then the delivery method. After providing all these things, you can go and you can send your money. And that is basically all about how you can transfer money online through your Ria Money Transfer. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.